welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Tanya and I film all kinds of pink, girly, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos on this channel. If you're into, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Turn on bell notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. So I was not originally planning on making this into a video, but when it came down to it, I was like, you know what? This would make a really cute video for you guys to set up maybe like a little area in your bedrooms. You live like somewhere else, like at home with your parents or something, and you don't really have as much freedom to like express your style. Makes sense. I just thought this would be like a really cute idea for any of you that just love coffee or hot chocolate and you want to kind of incorporate it into your bedroom. I saw this pink item that I'm about to unbox and I just could not say no, to the point where I was just like, okay, I have to like find somewhere to put this because it's too cute not to get it. Unbox it right now. Okay, so box right here. I cannot find the scissors, so go. Ooh, I'm already seeing some of the stuff that it came with. So this was actually a really good deal on QVC, so I'm going to link this down below. I'm not sure that they're going to bring the pink one back in stock, but I'm going to link it anyway just in case, because I paid very cheap for this item, which this is a $100 item that came with a lot of like accessories or like stuff with it for the price. So yeah, I'm just gonna link it down below because they did have really cute different options like white and gray and stuff like that. Oh yes, this is a Keurig with all of these coffees or different K-cups. And you guys know I love my Nespresso, but I could not say no to this because this is just gonna look so cute in my room. And whenever I just want quick coffee, I will probably use the Keurig, and then whenever I want like a latte or anything like that, I will use my Nespresso. I know so many people that have both and love them both, so this I actually almost bought at a Marshall's. I'm so glad I didn't. This is the classic cinnamon roll Cinnabon coffee. It also came with a Panera at home Colombian medium roast. Then it came with a donut shop coffee, and this is just a regular one. It also came with a little my K-cup. This is basically so you can brew any kind of like ground coffee, I guess you could call it. Yeah, brew with ground coffee. This is really neat because I can buy the big jars of like the actual like ground coffee if there's any that I like, which there is some that I do like. And then I can just brew it using this little baby right here. This is so helpful. So glad it came with this. There's a box in a box here, so I'm just gonna do this. Okay, and here we have the warranty, and where are my keys again to just has a plasticky smell to it. So excited. Okay, it says thank you for choosing Keurig. And then it comes with a little pamphlet. Oh my gosh, the color is so pretty. So this is what I'm seeing right now. I'm so excited right now. You just like lost behind the box over here. I'm doing my best to take it out carefully so we don't break anything. And I cannot believe they made it in this color. Like this is, I believe it was called like Dusty Rose or something like that. And I just never see stuff like this being made, I feel like, when it comes to like appliances. So unless it's like KitchenAid, of course. So let's take the sleeve off. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the top up here has the buttons and stuff to brew. This is the mini brewer, so it's small. take these little pieces of tape off so I can kind of show you guys. And I am going to insert, obviously at the end, me setting this up. Okay, so this is, I guess, where you put the water. I'm a little confused as if this is this all the water that fits with it? Let's see. Hand wash only. Okay. Looks funny because it doesn't look like there's anywhere to put the coffee, and that's because it comes with this. This is one of the reasons why I also thought this would be perfect to place in my beauty room, because it comes with this thingy, and this right here is just a little canister to store all of your K-cups, and then when you put it away you can literally just insert it back in here, or you can just keep it on your counter if that's what you would like. I'm just gonna set it back here so you guys can see more of this. So this is where the coffee comes out of, obviously, and then this is the little filter thing that you can also I believe you can detach this. I'm not gonna try and do it right now because I cannot, to save my life. But yeah, perfect blush pink. It's not really that dusty, it's just like light pink. So I cannot wait to set this up in my room. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. I picked up this adorable little bar cart at a Ross, and you can actually find this online at Target. So I'm going to link it down below if you guys are interested in like this exact one, but it is a little bit dirty just from being in the store, so I'm going to go ahead and wipe that down. On my sofa, I've collected a few things that I kind of want to use to decorate my little coffee bar cart, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started and try to rearrange this and make it look really cute so that it's just like my little coffee nook. Stand. This actually holds mugs, and I didn't like how this looked in my kitchen, so I'm thinking I can repurpose it and use it on this bar cart. I just pulled out some of my favorite mugs here, and these are just really cute and girly, and I thought they would be perfect in the space. I love this one. It says The Boss. Of course, this is probably one of my favorite mugs, and I'm just going to set that one up on top where, you know, the mug is supposed to go. I have all of these coffees, and I'm going to have a drawer where I actually store all of these, but I'm going to take one of these and just fill up our little container. I ended up picking up this Peppermint Mocha at Ross, so I'm going to just use this as well because I'm dying to try this. You didn't want peppermint mocha? Okay, so Bae wants Cinnabon. For a little bit. You can do strong or just regular?
Just regular.
That smells like cinnamon. There's obviously like just something missing down here, so I think I'm going to go ahead and just put this adorable flower box right there. Here is my cute little bar cart. I don't know if this is how I'm gonna keep it, but for now I like it so far. It has everything that I would want to make my coffee, and I'm so excited to start using it. Of course, you guys already saw a little test run, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that. That's everything for this video. If you guys see me looking the same in my pampering video, that's because I'm filming both of these in the same day, so I can knock out some content for you guys, because I know you guys just love it whenever I post on schedule every Thursday and Sunday. So I'm trying to definitely keep that up for you guys. So yeah, thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me setting up this little area in my beauty space. I cannot wait to finally do the final room tour. Thank y'all so much for tuning in today. If you stayed until the end, leave me this emoji. Of course, it's going to be the coffee cup, okay? So yeah, leave me the coffee cup emoji down below. I love you guys, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.